Tara works at a shelter that packs pet food bags for rescued animals. If she fills 5 bags, 7 food packs are left over. If she fills 7 bags, she needs 3 more food packs. How many food packs are there altogether? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here's a hint. One plan has extras. The other comes up short. Add them together. That swing is the clue. Let us draw both plans. Plan A fills 5 bags with 7 food packs left over. Plan B fills 7 bags, but the supply runs short by 3 packs. The supply of food packs is the same in both plans. What is the gap between the two plans? Plan A has 5 bags. Plan B has 7 bags, so Plan B has 2 more bags than Plan A. The first 5 bags match in both plans. The last 2 bags in Plan B are extras. Here is the new idea. Plan A has 7 packs sitting unused. Plan B is missing 3 more packs to finish. Add them together. 7 plus 3 equals 10 food packs. That is the swing. Those 10 packs are exactly what the 2 extra bags would need. Now we divide. 10 packs divided by 2 extra bags. Each bag holds 5 food packs. Now back to the real question. How many food packs are there altogether? Use Plan A. 5 bags hold 5 packs each. That is 25 packs, plus the 7 left over. The total is 32 food packs. This is the swing trick. It is the same family as the leftover trick and the shortage trick. When one plan has extras and the other comes up short, add them together. The total swing equals the gap times the per group amount. Then count the supply from either plan. Excess, shortage, or both. The bridge is the same. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.